y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you with my first how-to video. It's gonna be short and sweet. I apologize in advance because I know I had a couple of catchy phrases in here, but I ended up shooting this entire video in slow-mo. I know it may not look like it currently because I sped it up during the editing process, but babes, yeah, the entire video is in slow-mo. I wish there was a way to get the audio back, but it's not. But this video is on how I do my little slick back bun. I get a lot of questions about what products I use and how I do it. So here we go. I use Eco Styler Gel, the green one. She's goated. You need a double-sided brush or a brush in general, hard and soft brush, and a dead brush. And I also, y'all, this is my absolute favorite edge control. Sorry if you hear that washing machine in the back, okay? Favorite edge control ever is the Tyche True Edge Control. This is the only edge control that don't steer me wrong, okay? They don't steer me wrong. You need an edge brush and some nice and tight scrunchies. It's usually easier for me to slick it back when it is wet or semi-wet, but I had just had my hair freshly washed, blow dried, and all of the above. So yeah, this is how I do it. I know I said something funny, y'all. I'm so mad. I know I said something funny, but let's get into slicking back this bun, babes.
Okay, so you want to make sure you start off with detangling your hair as much as possible. Brush through all of them naps, them knots, all of that. Brush through it, pull out your edges, however many edges y'all want to use, because I know y'all go overboard with baby hairs and they be adult hairs to the point that y'all be trimming them. Don't trim them, okay? Just comb them out a little bit. Go in with the Eco Styler. I'm looking to the left because my neighbors is cows. Okay, don't worry about it. I use a nice glob. Don't be scared to use it. And I'm going to go through and get a couple of globs as we go. I just slick it on around my edges as well as the back. And then just brush and comb through it to make sure that I have all the humps, lumps, and all of the above out. Okay, you want it to be as flat and as seamless as possible. I have to tell you, you're gonna be combing, taking this barrette out, putting it back in, taking it out, putting it back in, combing it, brushing it 1,030,000 times for you to get the look that you want. So just be patient with it so you don't have a whole bunch of humper lumps. Okay, so just be patient. And yeah, I'm just gonna let the video talk for itself. Y'all can pretty much see what I'm doing. And yeah, ooh, I'm a little bald right there at the edge, but mind your business, okay? I need some black spray. I need some Beijing that they got at the barber shop, okay? It's a little thin at the top, but that's probably because I wear way too many of these buns. But what is a girl supposed to do? I'm gonna have an unbig back and go to the gym and cute hair. It just doesn't work for me. But anywho, I'm gonna stop talking and y'all just enjoy the video.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're